Hello everyone, this is Rishi from ABAP for Geeks. Today I would like to discuss about the evolution of ABAP programming models. You might be wondering, I have heard RESTful ABAP programming model, ABAP programming model for Fury. What exactly the difference between these two and how ABAP has evolved from classic ABAP programming model to ABAP RESTful programming model. So these are the details we are going to discuss as part of this video. Let's begin. Before we start, I would like to mention one thing. We are going to conduct an online training on ABAP RESTful programming model for Fury on September 12th. If you want to attend this course, please go to the description of this video, register yourself, and you will get the complete details of this course so that you can take next steps. Now let's move into evolution of ABAP programming models. We know how to create applications in classic ABAP programming model. Let's imagine this is the classic ABAP programming model. This is ABAP platform which is less than 7.4, so we have versions, right? 7.4, 7.5. For classic ABAP programming model, in the old days the version was below 7.4. How do we use to create applications? So we use SE38, SE80, module pool programming, OOABAP and OData service also. So what kind of application we used to develop using these tools? We used to develop WebDynpro applications, SAP GUI applications. So this is how we used to develop applications using classic ABAP programming for the ABAP platform below 7.4. SAP has upgraded ABAP platform to 7.5. During the time, SAP introduced a new programming model called ABAP programming model for Fury, so which is supported for versions greater than 7.5. So what is the difference between classic ABAP programming model and this programming model? Classic ABAP programming model, we used to create SAP GUI applications, WebDynpro applications and FPM. With the introduction of SAP UI5, ABAPers were out of the pictures. They are only dedicated to backend development. So there is no interaction for ABAPers to create Fury applications from ABAP. So with this introduction, ABAP programming model for Fury, SAP has given the opportunity or the flexibility to create Fury applications using just ABAP itself. So basically we will use CZW, OData services, CDS views, and if you want to enable transitional capabilities, we use BOPF based OData services. With all these tools and the new concepts, we can create Fury applications with Fury elements. So this we will discuss in detail in the course. What are the Fury elements and all, don't worry for now. So this is about ABAP programming model for Fury, which is from 7.5 version. Now SAP has upgraded this to further and also introduced a new programming model called RESTful ABAP programming model for Fury. So using this programming model, we can create Fury applications from application server as well, which is from ABAP, and also we can develop Fury applications on cloud as well. So cloud version should be greater than or equal to 1809. So SAP Cloud Platform ABAP Environment. This is a new service SAP has given. So using cloud, we can also develop Fury applications, and also on premise also we can create Fury applications. The ABAP version should be 7.54. We will be developing applications on SAP Cloud Platform as well on-premise system as well. Now what are the artifacts we need to create as part of RESTful ABAP programming? These are the new concepts introduced as part of this model, which are business service, CDS views, behavior definition. Using these artifacts, we can create Fury applications with Fury elements. So this is how from classic ABAP programming to RESTful ABAP programming model as the ABAP has evolved. The main idea is to allow ABAPers to create Fury applications within application server from application server only. This is all about ABAP programming model evolution from classic programming to RESTful ABAP programming model. Hope you understood the concept. If you are interested to take this course, please do register. The link in the description. Once you register, you will get all the details about this course so that you can take necessary steps. Thank you so much for watching. This is Rishi signing off.